Hugo Diaz, ang Dean dito sa CHK. And welcome ho dito sa ating joint community celebration for the feat of the men's football team and the women's football team. Yay! So to formally welcome you and give the opening remark, may I call on the UP College of Human Kinetics Varsity Sports Program Chair, Professor Marvin Sabado. Sir?
Thank you din, Kiko. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga nagpunta ngayong hapong ito. Congratulations to the men's football team, including the women's football team. Sa lahat ng mga parents and supporters, yung mga titos and titas and nowhere to go, and syempre yung mga faculty members and admin leaders ng UP at ng CHK. Maraming salamat. Yung mga estudyante na masugid na nanonood, mainit man, maulan, salamat sa inyong parating pagsuporta sa ating mga teams. At again, congratulations.
Marvin! Sige, pwede kong pupuro tayo. Lingid ho sa kaalaman ninyong lahat, noon hong Thursday kayo naglaro, Tuesday pa lamang, kaming dalawa ni Ma'am Diday ay nag-uusap na para sa isang community-led celebration para sa football team. Sabi namin, kahit anong mangyari, dahil dun sa pinakita ninyong effort, at tulad ng sinabi ni Sir Marvin kanina, yung effort ninyo ay hindi matatawaran. Kaya naman nasuklian kayo ng napakagandang performance, ay talagang marapat lang na maipag-celebrate naman ng ating community. But I guess the more important guests really for tonight are yourselves, the men's and women's football team, you definitely your loved ones, the family, and all the support group. So the support group, as mentioned by Professor Sabado, are the reasons why we have probably a feast tonight. So ngayon ho, siguro hindi ko naman palalampasin na hindi natin marinig yung taong nagpakahirap, nag-persevere, nagdasal ng marami, nagsakripisyo ng marami para sa team, para ma-rewardan din kayo, and that is no other than your coach. No? So may I now call on Coach Popoy Clarino, champion coach. Bibigyan ko lang ho kayo ng trivia kay Coach Popoy. The only coach who was hired by UP and in his initial coaching year, champion kagad. Sorry. Ako ho pala yung una. Noong 1995. So, si Coach Popoy, ikalawa.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good evening, everyone. Salamat. Unang-una, salamat for this community potluck. We weren't, hindi kami makakatungtong kung nasan kami, kung hindi dahil sa inyong mga suporta, sa inyong mga dasal, sa inyong mga pagmamahal, at walang sawang pagsubaybay. Yung mga games natin dyan, ang laking ginhawa at ang laking saya because dito tayo naglalaro sa ating field, and siyempre gusto natin protektahan yung ating home turf. Maraming salamat. Kailangan ko lang magpasa. Gusto lang namin magpasalamat sa aming mga sponsors, SMC Infrastructure, Pharmaton, Nowhere to Go But Up, Blaze Athletics, Activate PH. Okay, G Performance and Fitness of Coach Genaro. Attorney Robel and Attorney Jenny Lumibao. Ma'am Eloy and Ma'am Grace. Okay, the titas and titos of UP Fighting Maroons. Maraming salamat. Okay, the UP Hotel and the UP Center for Women's Gender Studies for always hosting our, the Dean Kiko for hosting our pre-game talks and film viewings. Boot Camp, Puma Philippines, the Office of Athletics and Sports Development, Ma'am Josie, Coach Bo, Coach Mo, Coach Kogo, Governor John Vic Remulla for hosting our training camp, and of course, the College of Human Kinetics, Dean Kiko, maraming salamat. Okay. Sa mga players, sa men's and women's team, yung mga nagsakripisyo ng buong taon para makamit yung marating kung nasaan tayo ngayon. Hindi biro yung sakripisyo na binigay nyo. You deserve it. You deserve to have fun. You deserve this moment. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you sa pagpunta dito. Parents, alumni, of course the team. Maraming salamat kasi buong season, andun kayong lahat with us. From the first game, kahit sa mga talo, sinuportahan nyo kami buong buo. And I think it's just right na nanalo kami as a way to give back sa inyo, sa lahat ng support nyo. So, thank you so much.
Ayun na, nasabi na naman ni Francis na ano. Yun lang, thank you talaga. Yung team, taos pusong nagpapasalamat sa lahat na sumuporta sa team. Sa UP Football Alumni, thank you. Maraming salamat. Sa mga sponsors, parents, family, lahat, thank you.
Magandang araw po. Ako po si Malvin Pagdanganan. Ang anak ko is si number 14, si Angelo. Muna sa lahat, congratulations! Well deserved! Yes! Speaking in behalf of the parents, alam nyo, kikwento ako sa inyo, nung bago mag-semis, nag-uusap-usap yung mga parents. Sabi na, naku, sino kaya mananalo sa Ateneo Lasal, FEU? Ganyan. Mas maganda siguro ang kalaban, ganito, ganyan. Kaya sabi ko, kahit sino sa kanila, tatalunin ng UP. Diba? Yan, so, nakita namin yung paghihirap nyo, yung sakripisyo nyo. Nakita namin yung ups and downs, lalo na last year. This year, talagang bumanat. Straight. Ilan ba yun? 7? 7 straight? 6 straight? Di ba? Wala kayong talo all the way. So, siguro bilang magulang, kami natutuwa dahil kayo ay nagawa ninyo yung paborito nyong laro and you were able to do it and become champions. So as a parent, we're really happy. And we're thankful to the coaches, tsaka yung mga nagsispray ng mga pag may masakit sa inyo, yung mga nag-aalaga sa inyo. Yan, yung nagsisigurado na healthy kayo. Maraming salamat po. At inaalagaan nyo yung mga anak namin. So, yun na lang. In behalf of the parents, I'd like to say congratulations to the UP men's football team. We're so happy, we're so proud. And to the women's football team, thank you. Yun lang po.
On behalf of Nowhere to Bubatak, I'd like to again congratulate the men's football team and the women's football team for a job well done. It was a very great to end the semester with a bang, no? We know the other teams have been working hard, not just football, and I think it's a good boost for the whole community what you guys did the past week. During our latest workshop, I learned about the kind of resources other universities have for their sports programs. Sabi ko nga, after I learned the millions that they could collect from their own students to fund their sports programs, it's only in UP we can claim that it takes a community to win a championship. Kasi dito, ang mga parents, ang mga titos and titas, ang mga alumni, ang mga faculty, ang mga alumni ng teams mismo, tayo nagtutulungan para matulungan yung mga teams natin. So for that, let's all give ourselves a hand and enjoy this championship. Again, congratulations and have a good evening.
Sa mga friends ko sa Facebook, you saw this, no? Last Holy Week, some of the boys and the girls stayed with us and they gave me this and naka-seal siya, sinil namin. Open only after championship kasi mali spelling. Championship, UAAP season 86, UP fight. So, open, time to open. Let's go, boys! Oh, yung mga, come on!